Hello guys, my name is Vajil Hassan. I'm a bachelor's in computer science and master's in data science. I've worked in the industry as a data engineer, a full stack engineer, and I've worked on machine learning projects as well. I see myself as a generalist rather than a specialist. Because I like to learn new technologies and build things, I ended up getting into MLOps. It has been a long journey, and today I would like to share all the things I've learned in this MLOps space and Kubeflow. In this course, I will teach you what MLOps is and how to apply MLOps to solve machine learning production problems. The hidden technical depth is huge in machine learning, and to solve the problem, several skills are required. And in this course, we will be doing MLOps with Kubeflow, which is one of the most promising technology in this space. The technology itself is massive. I will try to make it as simple as possible for you guys and explain all the main components of Kubeflow, along with hands-on examples that will make you understand Kubeflow and MLOps better. This course is suited for people who figured out that to make machine learning work, they will have to learn MLOps. And it's for the people who wants to learn Kubeflow and its ecosystem as well. It is also suited for people who are interested in startups and are worried about the cloud cost eating all their startup budget, and they want to try and evaluate other technologies. I won't be teaching you how to evaluate the technology, but about the Kubeflow, because that's an alternative and it's an open source technology and it's cloud agnostic. We will not be using cloud computing in this course, so you won't be spending hundreds or thousands of dollars in learning MLOps and Kubeflow. If you are following this course, then you don't need to worry about the cloud cost. It will all be on-prem because the purpose of this course is to learn the process and the technology. Kubeflow is cloud agnostic and you can run Kubeflow in any cloud of your choice if you want. But for this course, I would suggest just doing it on-prem. To run the examples in this course, you won't need a very high-end machine. A PC with 4 CPUs, 5 GB of storage and 16 GB RAM would be enough. But that's the minimum requirement on the Kubeflow's website. But it will be better if you have at least 32 GB of RAM, 4 CPUs or more, and at least 80 GB storage. AI and machine learning is a multi-dollar industry. Data scientists, machine learning engineers, and MLOps engineers would unlock this economy together. So this tutorial is designed for machine learning engineers, data scientists, DevOps. And basically it will tell you what MLOps is, and we will learn about the components of MLOps. So I designed this course in a sense that it's going to give you a quick overview of what machine learning is, what Kubernetes is, what DataOps is, and what MLOps is. I'm going to take you through Iceberg as well. And MLOps and everything related to MLOps, like the hands-on MLOps, it will come towards the end where we'll be doing all the exercises. So you'll have to stick till the end to basically understand everything.